In this video, we'll learn how to create a technical support ticket form, where we will provide an option for users to upload error screenshots. And we'll be doing that on Google Forms. So let's start it. First, we need to go to Google Forms. On the web address bar, enter forms.google.com and hit enter. So this is the Google Forms home screen. Since there isn't a specific technical support template, we'll start from scratch with a blank form to give us full control. We need to add a title here, for example, technical support request. We have the text formatting options here. Now let's add a form description. This is very important because users should know what this form is all about. After that, it's time to add the questions. The first question should be the name, full name, and then we need to add the question type. It should be short answer. Let's make it a mandatory question using the toggle switch. Now let's add another question by clicking here. Let's name it issue description, and it should be paragraph type. Here user will describe the issue in detail. Now let's add one more question for file upload. Click here and select file upload in the drop down. Click continue. Now let's name it upload screenshots of the error. We have some options here. Let's explore them. If we want to allow only specific file types to be uploaded, we need to use this toggle switch, and then we need to select the file type we want to allow. So as we are asking users to upload the screenshot of the errors, it should be image. We can also choose PDF. We can also set the maximum number of files user can upload at a time. And we can also define the maximum file size. Let's mark it as required. So we are good to go now. But before publishing the form, it's better to check the preview. So let's click preview. And here we have the preview of our technical support request form. If everything looks fine in the preview, we can move ahead with publishing. That's all in the video. Thank you for watching.